Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install nodejs in your PC. So at first you have to go to the browser. So let's go to the browser, and from here you have to go for the nodejs. So type nodejs, then press org, and here you will find nodejs.org. So go to the link, and here you have to actually click here get nodejs, or you may click here download, and then you will find this option. So select this, and from here you can actually select the current version also, but I will suggest you to go with the long-term support version. So we'll actually go with the latest long-term support version, and that is version 24. So select this and scroll a little bit down. You will find a option .msi. Here you can see. So we'll go with this one, .msi. I already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download this once again. And now I'm going to show you the installation process. And here you can see this is the nodejs. Okay, so I'm going to double click on it to start installing, and here you go. Now you click here next, then I will select I accept, then click here next. Now from here we have to select the drive where we actually want to install it. I will actually go with the C drive, so I will actually select C and then go for the next. Then we'll select node.js runtime, so we'll go for the next, and we are not going to select this automatically install the necessary tools because it will take too much time, and we don't need to actually do this, right? So we'll actually go for the next and then install, finish. Now if you go for the cmd, if you say node-v, here you should see nodejs version. Here you can see, but in your case if you don't see this but you have installed it, it means you have installed it in different drive. Let's say in some other drive, not in Windows installation drive, maybe D drive or any other drive if you you have in your PC. So what you have to do, you have to actually set environment variable here manually. So go for the env, and here you can see edit the system environment variable. So open it and edit environment variable, click here, and then select path under system variables and click here edit, and here you have to add the path. So now let's go back to the installation drive. Here you can see I have installed in C drive, so I'll go there and go for the program files, and here we have a folder called nodejs, so we have to go there, and that's it. So now we have to select in the address bar and we have to copy this path. Okay, copy this path and go for the edit environment variable and click here new to add the path, and we have added it. Now we'll click here okay, then okay, that's it. Now if you go for the cmd once again, and if you search node-v, you will get nodejs version. So that's it guys, I have shown you how you can install nodejs in your PC. Thank you so much for watching.